Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery and controls so pairing doesn't stall. Charge the headphones for about 2 hours if low. Make sure the LED changes to indicate power. Next, locate the power/Bluetooth switch and USB-C port so you know where to press and plug. Press and hold the power button until you hear a voice prompt or see the LED flash. This activates pairing mode. Once done, the headset broadcasts its Bluetooth name so your device can find it. Now pair and configure so sound and features work properly. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and select the Bose QC entry. Pairing completes within seconds. Then install the Bose Music app to access firmware, EC, and multipoint options. This ensures stability and best sound. Follow the app prompts, grant necessary permissions, and accept any firmware updates. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life. Make sure to test a quick audio clip to confirm audio routing before proceeding. Finish by optimizing controls and knowing a recovery step. Use the app or on-ear touch controls to set noise cancellation level and EQ to match your environment. This improves clarity and battery use. If you need two-device switching, enable multipoint so calls and media switch smoothly. Reconnect devices if audio drops. If pairing or audio fails, reset the headphones by holding power and Bluetooth for about 10 seconds, then repair. That reset clears temporary faults and often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.